Alright, now let us talk about Sparklines. Sparklines are mini charts that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of the data. These can be used to analyze the trends in your data. Once the Sparklines are added, further options can be accessed through the Sparklines tab. There are three types of Sparklines: line, column, and win and loss. Line represents the relative value of the selected worksheet data. Column, where the selected worksheet data is represented by tiny columns. Win or loss, where the selected worksheet data appears as a win or loss chart. Wins are represented by blue squares that appear above red squares. Follow the below given steps to add Sparklines to your data. Select the data without selecting the column headings. Let us say A2 is to C5. Go to Insert tab. Select the line option from the Sparklines group. The Create Sparklines dialog box appears. Specify type $D$2 is to $D$5 in the location range text box. Click OK. Excel will create Sparklines graphics for the specified data. You can make changes in the style and color of the Sparklines by selecting any style from the Style group and Sparkline Color drop-down menu. Students, note that in Excel 2013 you can add, delete and format the chart and its elements in the same way as you do in Excel 2016. Let us now move to another wonderful feature in Excel: Goal Seek. Goal Seek is a wonderful feature that helps in determining input values needed to achieve a specific goal. It calculates a value by performing what-if analysis on a given set of values. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Enter data in a worksheet. Calculate total in percentage as shown in the figure. Select the Data tab. Click on the What If Analysis button in the Forecast group and then select Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box will appear on the screen. In the Set Cell text box, define the cell address E5 on which the Goal Seek is to be applied. In this box, always refer to the cell that contains formula. Type the new value 150 into Value text box. This box contains the target or goal value to be attained. Press the Tab key. Click on the cell D5 in the worksheet. The address will appear in the By Changing Cell text box. This value points to the input value you want to adjust. Click on OK button. The Goal Seek Status dialog box appears on the screen displaying the solution. Click OK to close the dialog box. Observe the changes in the worksheet. The percentage also gets changed accordingly. Students, in Excel 2013, you can find the Goal Seek option on the Data tab. Okay students, let us quickly discuss the advantages of grouping worksheets. Let us now learn how to group worksheets. Grouping worksheets facilitates in editing multiple worksheets at the same time. You can enter common data, formatting effects and formulas in the grouped sheets. Follow these steps to group multiple worksheets. Create a new workbook. Add 2 more sheets in the workbook. Select Sheet 1 tab. Press and hold the Shift key and click on the Sheet 3 tab. Release the Shift key. Currently, Sheet 1 is active. Enter the data in the sheet. Note that all the 3 worksheet tabs have become white and the word Group appears on the title bar. It indicates that Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3 are grouped together. Format the heading by making it bold and increasing its font size to 18. Apply border around the heading First Quarter Sales 2016. Select the row 3, increase the font size to 14 and give bold effect. Similarly, select column A and apply the same formatting effects. To ungroup the worksheets, click on any sheet tab other than the grouped ones or right-click on any grouped sheet tab and select Ungroup Sheets option. All the 3 sheets will display the common data with formatting effects. Save the worksheet. Let us take a quick quiz. How can we ungroup the worksheets? Students know to delete the grouped sheets, right-click on any group sheet tab and click on the Delete option from the shortcut menu. Note that you cannot delete all the sheets in a workbook. At least one sheet must exist in the workbook. Also note that if you have entered data in sheet 1 before grouping the worksheets, that data will not be reflected in other sheets. Alright students, I will now explain you how to consolidate data. Consolidation helps in combining the data of multiple worksheets. We can combine data of various ranges either in the same sheet or in different sheets. We will consider the same example as given under Grouping Worksheet section for explaining consolidation feature. To consolidate data in different sheets, it is essential to group them together. Consider the example given under Grouping Worksheet section and follow the steps to group the sheets. After grouping and entering the column data in 3 worksheets, click on the Sheet 3 tab, change the heading as shown in the figure and select the cell B5. Select the Data tab, then go to Consolidate option in the Data Tools group. The Consolidate dialog box appears. To calculate the total car sales in the first quarter of 2016 and 2017, select the sum function from the list box if it is not selected. Click on the reference text box. Click on the Sheet 1 tab and select the cell range from B5 is to D10. Click on the Add button. The cell reference will be added in All References text box. Click on the reference text box once again. Now click on the Sheet 2 tab. Select the cell range B5 is to D10. Click on the Add button. Now click OK button in the Consolidate dialog box. Sheet 3 will display the consolidated data of first quarter sales of each car in the year 2016 and 2017. Save the file. Students note you can group the sheets in Excel 2013 in the same way as explained above. Students, let's know more. To edit the contents of more than one sheet at a time, hold down Ctrl key while clicking the tabs of the sheets you want to edit and then modify the data. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Charts make it easier to draw comparisons, analyze growth and relationship among the values. We can change the chart type by clicking the Change Chart Type button on the Design tab. The chart area includes all objects and elements in a chart. The plot area is a window within a chart area which contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. A data series is a related set of data values. Legend is a key that is used to identify the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to a data series. Grouping worksheets facilitate in editing multiple worksheets at the same time. Goal Seek is a wonderful feature which helps in determining input values needed to achieve a specific goal. Consolidation helps in combining the data of multiple worksheets. We can combine data of various ranges either in the same sheet or in different sheets.